Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit 3-layer video in VN Editor. So, let's get started. First things first, open the VN Editor app in your iPhone. After this, create a new project. To create a new project, click on the plus button. After this, click on the new project button. Then select 3 videos and then click on the bottom right arrow button. After this, click on the top ratio button and then select 9:16 ratio. It also have the TikTok logo. After this, click on the second video on the timeline. Then from the bottom menu, go to the end and then click on the forward button. Also do this to the third video. Then, click and hold the video and get the video to the start. Also get the third video to the start. After this, click on the second video and get it align with the main video at the bottom. Do the same with the third video. You will see a blank video. Click on it and then click on delete. Click on the main video on the timeline and then get it to the top. Click on second video and get it to the center of the video. Click on third video and get to the bottom of the video. Align them as you want. Then adjust the videos as how you like. And that's how you edit 3-layer video in VN Editor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.